हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड टुडे इज़ माय प्रेजेंटेशन। और ये जो हंसी देख रहे हैं ये डर वाली हंसी है। Hello everyone, my name is Sudhi Goyal and today I am here to present a presentation on the topic of budget line. So today we will talk about what is the definition of budget line, what is the importance of budget line, how we define a target and what is the equation of budget line. So first of all I would like to introduce you to what the budget line is. So before moving to any market expenditure, I would like we always plan what our budget market budget. So our budget is this much and we have to do our expenditure in this budget only. So first of all, so this is the same definition in economics, that is budget line. So what is budget line? Budget line is a line that shows what possible combination of two things within a given amount of income. Next. So now what is the importance of budget line? So it is very essential for any organizational success. It maximizes profit and minimize risk. Now how we define a budget line? So to create any financial growth, we have to analyze what is the revenue and what is the expenditure we are doing. So from where the revenue is generated and from where the expenditure is going. Next. So now we will define that what is the budget line and how we will write the equation of budget line. So suppose we talk about that there are two things, x and y. So here I will write the equation of budget line. M equals to Px Qx plus Py Qy. Here M equals to money income. Px equals to price of the first product and Qx equals to quantity of first product. Py equals to price of second product and Qy equals to quantity of second product. Now we all know that every graph has a slope. So how I define a slope? So Px upon Py, price of first product upon price of second product. Now what is the constant? Constant means it is a limitation. So we will define constant Px Qx plus Py Qy is less than equals to n. It means that whatever the expenditure we are doing should be less than or equal to our money income. So these are the properties we have to follow for budget line. So next, how we plot the graph of budget line. So here I will draw the graph. This is x-axis, y-axis. So for example, suppose that I am going to market and my mother has given me 100 rupees. Now I have 100 rupees and I have to do expenditure under this 100 rupees only. So what I purchase? So suppose that I purchase chocolate and chips. Here chocolate price that I assume that it is 10 rupees and chips price is 5 rupees. So now suppose that in one case, suppose that I didn't buy any chocolate, so buy any chips only. So chips equals to 0. We can say Q y equals to 0. Quantity of chips equals to 0. And suppose my own money can divert to chocolate only. So 100 divided by I have 10 rupees for chocolate. So here I divide by 10. So when I cut this, then this is 10 rupees. So what I found that I have 10 chocolate and 0 chips. So I draw here 10 chocolate and 0 chips. Now in second case, let's suppose I have 0 chocolate and my whole money can divert to chips only. So 100 divided by 5 because I have 5 rupees of chips. So when I divide this, then this is equal to 0. So what the point I have found 0, 20. So what I draw here this is the time for conclusion, and it highlights all the possible combination of two commodities and focuses on the organized income, and it helps us to our organization succeed. Now that brings us to the end, and I would like to thank all of you to your time and attention. Thank you so much.
So this is my presentation and it went well.